One bite, everybody knows.
No. No. You screwed it up already.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I'm already recording.
All right. Here we are live. Woodrow's Sandwich Shop. Hero Way, Philadelphia Cheesesteak Challenge. Perfect time during the pandemic. Now, protests and riots. We saw someone actively getting chased by the cops. Really, probably not the best thing, but it's okay. One bite, everybody knows the rules. I took a bite. This bite too. It's only one bite. Suck it. So many flavors. One bite, everybody knows the rules. That truffle. You taste the truffle. I don't know, it's the first one. I'm going with 8-2. 8-2. Woodrow's, Philadelphia. Send the bar high. Let's see what everyone else does.
All right, we're here. Angelo's. We got really nice decorations in the front over here. They just installed it yesterday. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
What are we doing? It's a cheesesteak fucking tour.
Cheesesteak tour down here in Philly. Hold on.
Hero Way Films. Here we go.
Hero Way Films, there we go. All right, one bite, everybody knows the rules. Come on.
That bread looks good.
The bread is bomb.
Let's see this.
Very good.
That's some strong bread.
Bread game is strong. Cheesesteak's pretty juicy.
Good.
The hot peppers are kind of throwing me off. I don't know. I've never had hot peppers in my sandwich, but.
Did you ask for hot pepper?
I don't know.
What's the score?
The bread game really helps.
No, bread's on point.
I'm have to go with a 7. You're not even pointing at me, bro.
There I am.
You're the worst cameraman ever.
I'm on your mind. What is it? What is
I'll go with a 7.
7?
7.0.
Even 7? All right.
Even 7.
We'll do 7.6. I'm going with 7.6 here. I like this. It's not bad. Oh God, I dropped it on the ground.
No, you did.
Are we eating it?
Eat it. Eat the whole thing. Eat the whole thing. You dropped it on the ground. This motherfucker.
Yeah, you can eat that one.
Look at him.
No, you have to
I'm
eat
not
it.
eating it.
Take a bite.
You're gonna eat the whole
You have to
thing.
take at least a
No,
bite.
you're
No, you have to take at least a bite.
You're gonna take a bite. You just dropped it on the ground.
Take a bite.
You just
take a bite.
You just.
Are you gonna take a bite?
You have to take a bite first. We gotta do the review.
All right.
Do the
John's
review.
roast pork. I just threw it on the ground. Hero Way Films. Philadelphia Cheesesteak Review. It's been a very eventful day so far. A lot of things to say. We're trying to keep it peaceful. One love.
Titty bar.
No, we didn't go to Titty Bar. Social distancing, don't forget. All right, buttholes. Protect you. And social distancing. All right, everybody knows the rules. One bite, okay? That's with the ground condiment. Well, it's not bad. You have to take a bite. Take a bite.
Just give me a second. I'm trying to figure out what's the safest bite.
The whole thing's safe. Look, film yourself. I don't know. The first one was really good. What do we do? I did 8.2 the first one, 7.6 second guy. That's my scores. This is really good though. What do you think? It's not fair because the other one had the hot peppers to change the flavor around.
Change the flavor around.
I say 7.8.
7.8? Oh,
One bite, everybody knows the rules. 7.8.
7.8.
It's a good fucking sandwich. The ground condiment, I think, is my favorite flavor.
But you gave Woodrow's what?
8.2.
Oh, we're throwing shit around the floor.
No, that's for God.
Yeah.